this tutorial, we're going to review how to add numbers and bullet points to your Word document. One of the first things we're going to do is just add a few lines of text here. So we're going to say bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and bullet point 3. Word offers a really easy way to turn these into bullet points or into numbers, and you use almost identical approach. So to create bullet points, all you do is highlight the lines that you want turned into bullets, and you can either use this pop-up panel right here, or by going up to the home ribbon, come up into the paragraph section, and you can click on bullets. And you can see it automatically turns them into bullet points. If you're wanting a different format for those bullets, click on the drop down, and as you can see, you have a number of different options. You can go with little check marks, and those get turned into check marks. You can go into these arrows. Pretty much anything that they have on here is very easy to do. You could also go with none if for any reason you just want to have things indented and separated by bullets but you don't want them shown. We'll stick with just the traditional bullet point right there. And the other thing that you can do is go to define a new bullet. And in order to do that, you can click on a symbol, and you have the full list of symbols that Microsoft Word offers. So you could do pretty much anything you could imagine. You could do little mathematical characters, you could do Greek symbols, anything like that. Here you can also decide where you want the alignment. So you can move that from centered, right, or left. By default it's left. You could also insert a picture. So if you did want to create your own custom bullet point, you could simply click on that, click browse, and then go pick out any type of image you want. Obviously, with the way documents are set up, you're going to want to design something very small in Photoshop or an image editing software like that. So just a small icon, but it's a great way of being able to add something custom, which you can do for your company or anything like that. You can also select from the different fonts, so you can select symbol as the default, but you can select any other ones and use those. We'll hit cancel and go back. So that's how you create bullet points. To create numbers, it's essentially the same process. You can use this pop-up window right here and just click on numbers, and right there it automatically gives you your 1, 2, 3. If you want to change the style, you could do something like Roman numerals. You could go ABC, you could go uppercase, lowercase, you could do anything like that. You can also change the list level, which I'll show you what that means. So say that this is bullet point 1, but bullet point 2 is actually a subpoint of bullet point 1. Just click tab, and as you can see, it changes, so it's now a bullet point under 1. So if you were making a memo or any type of document where you were trying to outline something, being able to create these subheadings is a really nice thing, and Word automatically changes that point. If you want to go back to it, just hit backspace and it takes you right back to where you were. So once again, you can change things from bullet points to numbers. You can simply choose between bullets and numbers right here. If you want to remove the formatting completely, then just click on whatever you had selected and it goes back right to where we started. So congratulations, you now know how to create bullet points, numbers, and customize them using Microsoft Word. Please let me know if you have any other questions.